if you want to switch your look at any time, then I want you guys to keep on watching this video because I have one wig and I'm going to create, a matter of fact, 3 different styles with it. And you can do more, whatever your choice is, but just keep on watching. Let's go. Wow, this is long. This seemed like a water wig, and look at that, without even styling it. Now the wig is secure. It's full. It is full. Now listen, this is a headband wig, and that's why I told you guys it's gonna be super easy, very easy. We can flex with this wig because not just that it's a headband wig, but it's also a half wig. Yes guys, I'm excited. So yeah, and there's a zipper that you're gonna do. Let's just get into it. I also have an extra band just in case, so it comes with 2 bands. This is a gray one, I like that, and then the black. And so we do have the band and the Velcro, and this is the headband part. There's a zipper. We're gonna take that off right now. You clip it, snap it in, you open the snap, and you take off the headband. You gotta be careful. I wasn't. Oh, see that? And it slides all the way off, and then you have another clip that you open, and then you take it off. So this is it, and this is how it looks as a half wig. And then we are gonna do the headband. Just put it back on, and I showed you guys, and I love how it comes with the Velcro. I love that. 2 parts, so it depends on how tight you want it. It's one wig fits all. It also comes with a drawstring, of course, so you know how the drawstring operates once it's on your head. And this is a one wig fits any head size. Pull it down, and then this extra piece, you're also gonna pull it down on the wig. Then the band, you're gonna tuck it under, so it should look something like this. All right, as far as the half wig, there is combs to secure the wig. So you have 4 combs at the front, which is amazing. Really like that, and I love how this one is. It's well made. But let's get into it. The hair is also fluffy. I love that. We're definitely going to style it a little bit more to bring life to it because it was in a package. But this is it. It's long. You can wear it as is out the package. Let's put this on. And I'm letting it show. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. I am going to put the wig on first. I just have some baby hair right there, looking real nice. Let's just do a test to see how the half wig would go. Oh, I need to leave out some of my hair. I just remember. It's already tight. Okay, let's put it to the test. Some days the pressure feels loud in my mind. Shadows calling me back to the old life. I don't know what band they put behind this, but it's giving. Alright. We are gonna blend this part in. And guess what? I am going to style this, and I will be back. Once it is styled, we will have the illusion creating. I'm gonna blend this part in. So let me style it and then I'll come back, or you guys can keep on watching. I want to wet it up and get it in the groove first, because this is all you do. You slip it on, and then after I'm just gonna put the headband on. Real easy, real simple, but I really want to finesse these curls and customize it a little bit, which honestly it's still looking nice. But let's get into it. The wig is wet. I am going to let it dry, and then I will come back to fluff it out and do two styles. Okay, give it a moment because I wanted to wet it down so you can actually see the beauty and all of that. So we will be back once it is all fluffed out. Okay guys, so this is the wig. So I didn't braid my hair, but we are going to style it. Okay, I'm going to do like a messy bun situation. My hairline is a bit thin, so if you want, you could leave the wig, finesse it and leave it as it is. But because I have like a long forehead, I like when my hair is either sleazy, it looks better like that. So what I'm going to do is I want to take some, we're going to catch some of the hair up. It's not hard to do, very easy for you. One thing I want you guys to keep in mind, if you don't have black hair, just please bear that your edges, you might not get the color. You probably have to put some mascara or something on it. I had to do that because my edges aren't black, so I just did that. But that's why this wig is versatile. Okay, I want to make sure it's equal, and then once I put this up, we will pull out the front a little bit so it gives the illusion you don't know that I'm wearing it. And you it back. Just keep on watching. It's just a ponytail. Anybody can do this. Okay guys, so what we have here is just the half wig. Now I did a finesse just so my real hair, I pulled all of it back and I just pulled the front of the wig down so you don't know it's a wig. I love this. I love this. Just imagine I don't want to get my hair done and I just slip this wig on. Perfect. Nadula, you did your big one and I did wet the hair, so it's still a little bit damp, but it's still looking full and nice. I love the curls. The water wave texture is amazing. This is how it looks as a half wig. Now if you don't want to do it like this, you can definitely go in with a headband, and I'm going to show you guys that because I can also put it in a ponytail once we have the headband on. So this is the water wave, and let me show you guys around the back. Look at that. There's two clips. Make sure when you put it on, you clip those down. I did one side already. This is the other side. Just clip it on. Now we have a headband wig. Alright. Let's put this bad boy on. I was blind, didn't know who I was, but you showed me my design, pulled me back with your love. All the lies they fed my spirit, I'm releasing above. Now I stand in who I am, yeah, I rise from the dust. I've been tried through the fire, I've been tried through the rain, but I'm a new creature now, ain't the girl I was then. All that bondage, all that trauma, I lay down the chains, found my worth in the one who can heal every stain. Took my power back, now ain't controlled by the pain. I know my identity, I walk in its name. My favorite is gonna be putting this in a ponytail. Now let's put it down If you want to show your baby ear, you can do that.
Didn't know my value, let their darkness console me. Thought I needed love from it just so somebody would know me, but all it did was break me.
If you're going to the gym, it's hot still, it's summertime, this is gonna work out, because all you have to do is put on your headband wig, put that headband wig on, and do a ponytail. I'm loving this. I kind of like this one. I think my teenager would love a wig like this for days when she don't want to do her hair. And remember, it comes with an extra band. You can put whatever you want. If you want to tie a scalp, anything at all. If you want to tie anything, something else, different colors, whatever you want to put around it, you can do that. I kind of like it like this because it's not in my way. There is no issue with it, and I'm loving it. So another style, cute. It's not going nowhere. You see? It ain't going nowhere.
I've been trapped through the rain, but I'm a new creature now. Ain't the girl